Hi, my name is Eli Davidson from elidavidson.com. Are you having less growth in your business than you like? It's because you might be in the Red Sea of competition instead of what I call the blue ocean of opportunity. You might be battling with 10, 20, or 2,000 people that are doing pretty much exactly what you're doing. For you to find your blue ocean of opportunity, you need to go into fresh waters where you are targeting the urgent, pervasive, expensive needs of your clients. So make sure that you put in your information below so that I can help you find your blue ocean of opportunity. So make sure you come by elidavidson.com so that I can help you again find your blue ocean of opportunity.